I know what you're talking about. Bro, stop killing them. I want to use my rage blade.
He's breaking my Tesla. He's breaking my Tesla.
Nah, I'm using the scythe again. You're ruining my experiment. Oh,
Okay,
look at that hit detection, guys. Oh, look at that. I'm actually gonna die. Oh, the scythe is so good. Oh my god, I love the scythe. The scythe is so good. Oh my gosh, I love the scythe. The hit detection is so good. Oh my gosh, the hit detection on the scythe is amazing. I love the scythe. My favorite weapon. Let me get it again. I want this. I only want the scythe. Where's the scythe? Give me the scythe.
Bugs fell off.
I want scythe. Best weapon in the game. The hit detection is amazing.
Real.
Even a diamond sword's better than it. Is he okay? How long till the update anyways?